In this video, I will explain that most of the users, while if pycharm as installed, and if you get any error like this, no Python interpret concept for the project. Mostly it will take automatically, but if it will not take, then we have to set it. So how to set the interpreter for the project? So let's, by clicking on this thing, it will go to the link, or else we can go through, click on the file and click on settings. You can see here settings, and then you can see here Python interpreter. By clicking on this link, it will directly take here. See here, you can see here no interpreter. Then to add an interpreter, but by clicking on the drop down, if you can see what is the version of you have downloaded, and just clicking on this and click on apply and OK, it's fine. But if you see no nothing interpreter is added, and you can see only the blank, so just to add the interpreter, click on settings and click, you can see here, click on the add button here. Let's click on add, and just uh, like just click on this thing, three dots, and you can give the path of the .exe file. Suppose I have the exe file here. I have the exe file here, Python. I will give this path. Okay, I will give this path here. So just by giving on the path, it will take to this thing. Okay, just click OK, and it will just click on OK, and click on apply and click on OK. So hope it will help you guys, so it will solve your problems. Thank you so much, and like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.